flavorful financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. and welcome to another flavorful Taco Tuesday. I'm absolutely delighted to add some sizzle to our savings routine today. We're filling our spicy Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelope while following the adorable adventures of our wise little pig who's teaching us the beautiful art of finding balance between savings goals and our spending hearts. Just like creating the perfect taco blend requires knowing exactly which ingredients complement each other, mastering our money requires that same intuitive understanding of when to save and when to spend. Not to mention how to create a financial recipe that's uniquely and perfectly yours. So let's set up our envelope stuffing fiesta and make this Tuesday absolutely delicious. Today for our variable envelopes for Taco Tuesday, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, $59 to go towards our Taco Tuesday variable challenges. The reason I say that is because we do have Taco Tuesday. We know exactly what we're gonna say for Taco Tuesday because it's the date of each Tuesday. So we can plan for this. The rest of our challenges, we can't plan for. So we're gonna start with Taco Tuesday. And in our Taco Tuesday this month, today is the 23rd. So we will be saving $23. Our $23 should be at the back because remember, we can plan for it. And here we've got $23. Give me a moment. I'll speed this up so I can color in this 23. And there we go. I'm gonna sit this to the side so it can dry and we're gonna take a look and see how much we've saved thus far this year in Taco Tuesday. And in our Taco Tuesday envelope, we have $500 in high yield savings, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, $68. I'm gonna leave this as it is because we would just be condensing it down by one bill, so we're good. So that's $568 that we've saved thus far in Taco Tuesday. We are rocking and rolling, staying consistent, and moving forward strong. Now, let's have a little fun and see what's going on with our girlfriend, Georgette. We're gonna start off our savings with Life of a Pig who wants to save but loves to spend. We're gonna take out this page to make things a bit easier on us. And today we are gonna scratch off 2 of our bubbles. I'm gonna start with this really large one here, just because I'm curious. I honestly thought it was gonna be a large number since it was a large bubble, but it's $3. So 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna scratch off 1 more, and we have 2 more dollars, so that makes 5. I'm gonna put this 3 back and get a 5. Now let's turn us over, and on this side we save $9 per week. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, $9 here that we're saving. Give me a moment while I speed this up because I'm gonna get this colored in. Today we did 4 and 4, which is 8, and then 1, that's $9. So today we're saving 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Let's get this page back in our binder and see how much we've saved thus far in Life of a Pig who wants to save but loves to spend. All right, we're getting our page back in the binder here, and let's take a look. All right, and in our envelope, we have $1,100 in our high yield savings, $100 in surplus reserve, so that's $1,200, and 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So what I'm going to do, because I think we may need ones, I'm gonna trade those 5 ones in for a 5 to give us a bit more ones here. And we will get another $20 bill from surplus reserve to condense this down. So we're gonna take this $20 in 5s and get a 20 here. And then we are going to get these 5s into our envelope. So now we have a nice, neat, condensed $90 here for making us have a total of $1,290 that we've saved thus far in Life of a Pig who wants to save but loves to spend. We're gonna move right along to our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And today in this challenge, we are going to scratch off 2 of our spaces here. We're gonna start right here on the mountain. And for our first scratch off, we have $8. We've got 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we are going to go right here. And for our next scratch off, we have 7, which makes 15. So we're gonna swap these out and get 2 5s. So that's $15 on this side. And on the next, we're going to color in a cheese and scratch off 1. So let's take a look and see what we've got. We're gonna start with the scratch off. And for our first scratch off, we've got $2. So we've got 1, 2, and remember it's $2 when we color in a cheese, so that'll be $2 more there. Give me a moment, I'm gonna color this in and I'll be right back. Total in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we have a total of 5, 10, 15, 17, 18, $19 saved. Now let's take a look and see how much we've saved thus far since we've been collecting the funds from this challenge. And in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we have 400 in surplus reserve, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, $71. So we will put a 1 and a 50 here, and this should be $20. Let's count it, and then we'll use our surplus reserve to condense. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Get a $20 bill here. And let's get our 5s in our envelope and these 5 1s. So now we have a condensed $471 that we have saved in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. Remember, we started out this particular challenge as one that we utilized to pay off debt from prior travels. So we are doing amazing to have $400 saved thus far. And there you have it, another absolutely scrumptious Taco Tuesday cash stuffing session. Just like the most satisfying meal combines all your favorite flavors in a perfect harmony, we're combining all of your smartest financial habits to create something truly nourishing for both your present happiness and your future security. Our sweet pig friend continues to remind us that the most fulfilling life comes from understanding the beautiful balance between saving for tomorrow and savoring today. Thank you for bringing your amazing Tuesday energy to our savings celebration, my incredible financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co., reminding you that your financial journey should feel as satisfying and rewarding as your favorite comfort food. Keep creating that perfect balance, and I'll see you next time for more money magic that's as delightful as it is empowering.